How's it going, everyone? This is EK1 Gaming here, and today we're going to be talking to you about the Gadget Discovery Club. Now, if you don't know what the Gadget Discovery Club is, it's a subscription. It's a monthly subscription where they send you one gadget each month, and you don't know what it's going to be. That could either come in a bag like this, or a box like this. So you don't know what you're going to get each month. It's kind of a surprise, but they guarantee that the value of the item you get is actually more than the cost of your subscription. So if you're like me, first off in your head, you're going to be thinking, he's been paid to say this. Well, let me tell you, I have not been paid to say this. This is not a paid review in any way. This is literally, I've received two months worth of Gadget Discovery Club, and I wanted to do a video to show you exactly what I got and to give my opinion on it. Because if you're like me, you'd have been very wary when you see loot boxes, gadget boxes, monthly subscriptions. I'm always a little bit wary about, do I get one? Do I not get one? Do I sign up? You know, you can do this month by month, but I'm thinking, do I commit to a monthly fee, or do I just go for a one-off? And is it going to be crap, what's in the box? And we all think the same. We all think, well, if they're guaranteeing that it's going to cost more than the value of the box, how do they make money? Okay, so that was the first thing that entered my head with Gadget Discovery. I was like, I'm a little bit optimistic and like, is it going to be good? Is it not? Now I just took the plunge, okay, and 2 months now I've been a member of the Gadget Discovery Club, and I've got to tell you, I'm impressed. I'm actually impressed. It completely surprised me. Now, if you've been on the channel for a while, you know that I did the loot box, or loot crate it was called. Back then, I did this a long time ago. I did the loot crate. And although the stuff in there was okay, I just didn't feel like I was getting my money's worth when you get like a poster or a little pin badge. The pop figures were really good in them boxes, and they were great. But everything else just seemed to little things here. Now, with this, you only get one item. So it's one gadget. Okay, or a piece of tech or something. And some of these things you probably would never buy before. Like one of these things I'll show you, you probably never would go to the shop and buy it. But now I've got it, I've used it more than ever. Like, I didn't even know I needed it until I got it. So let's go ahead and show you exactly what we got on the first month. So this is month 1, and then the bag was month 2. So the first month I got this box, and it literally just comes like this. There's nothing else with it. It's just a box, okay? So when you open up the box, the first month, we got a Bluetooth speaker. So we got the Rise Mini Bluetooth speaker. Now, I'm going to show you this working and everything in a second in the video. So if you want to see what it's like, just stick around and I'll show you it like in action, working and all around it and stuff like that. Now, this one was really good. Partly for the fact that it's actually metal, so you could drop it and everything. And I was just about to go on holiday, so it kind of fit in really nicely. I was like, wow. And then looking at the RRP of it, it was worth more than what I paid for the box, which is fine. You can't really get it for cheaper than the box. I looked everywhere online, couldn't find it cheaper. So although I probably wouldn't have bought a wireless speaker, and I probably got wireless speakers around, you know, in the house, it was still a good addition. And I was like, yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. So that was the first one. It's not bad. Then I was like, oh, do I carry it on now? Am I just going to get something else I've already got? And that's the danger. You might get something you've already got. However, I was like, let's go. Let's get the second one. And then we'll see what we get this time. And let me tell you, this is the best thing I ever got in the post. Ever. So this here is Smoothie. It's called Smoothie, and let me tell you, I'm going to show you guys because it's incredible. Let me tell you, it is a chargeable smoothie maker. So you get like a USB lead, you can charge it up. Now what impressed me with this is actually glass, so you can hear this. This is glass, so this is not cheap plastic made. That base is solid. Like, that is a solid base. So what you do is you charge it via here. I'm going to show you a video of me using this as well. I did put a video out on Twitter of me using this with my X Gamer Energy, and it works wonders. Just on your desk, quickly use it. So it's simple. You basically unscrew, put whatever you want in here, whether that's fruit, whether that's energy drink, or whatever you want to chuck it in here. Obviously, don't tip this upside down. Hold it, flip it in like this. And then when it's in, the blue light flashes. I'll show you this on a video so you can see it clearer. The blue light flashes to say that it's secure. And that's another good feature I liked about this. So it basically flashes to say, yes, you're safe to turn it on. It's not going to spill. So then you hold the button down. I'm going to turn it off there because I don't want the humming to keep going through the video. But basically, it gives a timer. It does it for a certain amount of time and then stops automatically. Then literally you just flip it, turn it, and then drink. You do get a lid for the drink as well if you want to store it. You can't drink through the lid. It's just literally a lid to put on top of it so you don't spill it. Or if you want to carry it. You also get like a little, I don't know what you want to call that. Like a little hook for the lid. Maybe where you can carry it or hang it off your bag or something. But for me, I just use it like this and then I just drink it with my energy drinks or smoothies or whatever you want to do with it. Which is pretty cool. Now, I was actually looking online at these, and the RRP was a lot more than what we paid for the subscription box. So for me, this alone makes up for the speaker that I possibly already had. But even then, I've used the speaker as well. I definitely use this. This I use a lot. So like, I'm super impressed with it. So let me just show you a video now of the speaker in action, and then the smoothie maker in action, and then I'll just basically leave the link in the description below to this subscription box if you want to get it. I'm looking forward to what's coming in month 3, and I'll probably do some more videos if there's some cool tech or some cool gadgets that come. I'm going to release videos, all the cool stuff that comes, because I honestly think that this is one subscription box that's worth it. As I say, this is not paid. I'm not paid to say this. My personal opinion. And you might think, well, I don't want a smoothie maker. Like, that's fine. But you don't know what you're going to get. You could get something totally different. So, guys, if you want to sign up for that, the link is in the description below. There's no affiliate code or anything like that. I'm sorry, guys. I can't offer you any kind of discounts or anything like that because this is not a paid promotion or anything. But if I can get that in the future, I will try my best to try and get at least like a 10% code or some kind of discount for you guys. And when I do, I'll just update it in the link below, and then I'll just change the link or change the code or whatever, so you guys can save some money. But guys, here's their products in action. It's really simple and easy to use. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video. Let's go.